So I've now decided I need to service the bearings and replace them within the hub. I've discovered there's a rumble, and I'm simply going to remove the hub from the axle shaft, and I've now brought it to my workbench. I'm simply going to remove the grease cap, the split pin, the axle nut, the castle nut, and then also the washer, which will enable me to lift out the outer bearing. I'm going to then flip the hub over. I'm going to then remove the oil seal and the inner bearing. Once I've done that, I can then remove the bearing races, which are actually pressed into the hub using a drift and hammer, which I'll gently knock out. So now I've drifted the races from the hub, I'm now ready to put my new bearings in, and I'm starting from the front. So I'll take my race, which has come with my new bearing. I'm going to gently tap that back in. So with the race securely home, I'll now flip the hub over, and I'll follow the same procedure, knocking in the inner bearing race. Once that's done, I'll then insert the cone of the bearing into the hub. Then I'm going to reapply or reinsert the actual rubber oil seal so it's flush with the top. I'm going to now flip the hub back over and drop in the cone of the outer bearing into the new race. I'm now ready to fit my hub back onto the stub of the axle using the washer, castle nut, split pin, and finally grease cap.